There are certain nameplates in American muscle car history that carry a weight no badge redesign could ever replicate. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 is one of them. Born in the era of four-barrel carburetors and dual exhaust, the 442 was Oldsmobile's answer to the horsepower wars. This example, built by Ironworks Speed Kustom out of Bakersfield, California, has been reborn into something the factory never imagined. Take a closer look at this machine in motion. This is Legacy Series number 5, the first non-Chevelle to wear the Legacy Series name. Roger Lee, the man behind Ironworks, has spent over 20 years building some of the most talked about Restomods in the country. And with this car, he brought his entire playbook to a 1970 Olds 442. And now, let the exhaust speak for itself. The exterior retains its factory Nugget Gold paint with black stripes, looking every bit the original. But underneath sits a Speedtech Performance fully independent chassis. Forge line FL 500 three-piece wheels, 19 by 10 up front and 20 by 12 out back, wrapped in Michelins, fill every inch of those fenders. Take a closer look. Inside that engine bay sits a GM Performance LT4. 6.2 liters, supercharged, producing 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The same power plant found in the Corvette Z06 and Camaro ZL1, now breathing through a custom carbon fiber ram air hood. Listen to what that power sounds like. Step inside and the transformation continues. ZL1 Camaro seats, adapted by DJ Designs, offer power adjustment, heating, and cooling. The dashboard is sculpted from carbon fiber and billet aluminum, housing Dakota Digital RTX gauges and vintage air climate control. Every surface is deliberate. Now watch this machine on the move. Underneath, the engineering is just as thorough. Custom-valved JRI coilovers handle the suspension. Wilwood 6-piston calipers clamp down on 14-inch drilled and slotted rotors at all four corners. A Gear FX Ford 9-inch rear end, micro-polished and dyno-tested, delivers power through 370 gears. Listen to that chassis work. That power reaches the ground through a GM 10L90 10-speed automatic, backed by a Hurst shifter and paddle shift capability. At 80 miles per hour on the highway, this engine turns just 2,000 RPM. It is not a trailer queen. It was built to be driven coast to coast, and Roger has done exactly that. Watch it in action. The exhaust note tells you everything you need to know. Mid-length stainless steel headers feed into a 3-inch TIG-welded stainless system through MagnaFlow mufflers and resonators. Up front, JW speaker LED headlights modernize the face without betraying the era. From every angle, the stance is aggressive, purposeful, and absolutely dialed in. Let the sound. Roger built this car for a customer named Cliff, completing it in approximately 8 months, $250,000 in parts, roughly $400,000 finished. A process refined over 20 years in multiple SEMA builds, including the 2023 Good Guys Street Machine of the Year. See it up close. The Legacy Series is available for any 1970 to 1972 GM A-body, Chevelle, Cutlass, Skylark, or Le Mans. This 442 holds a special distinction as the first Oldsmobile in the lineup. A CNR radiator with dual 14-inch brushless fans keeps that supercharged LT4 running cool. Featured by Sean Davis of Autopia, LA. Covered by Street Muscle Magazine, Bang Shift, GM Authority, and Engine Swap Depot. This build has earned its place among the most extraordinary Restomods rolling today. It is what happens when 20 years of craftsmanship meet a classic Oldsmobile with nothing left to prove. And here is... This is Legacy Series number 5. A 1970 Oldsmobile 442 that carries its original Nugget Gold paint like a badge of honor, while hiding 650 supercharged horsepower underneath. Roger Lee and Ironworks Speed Kustom did not just restore this car. They reimagined what a 442 could become. Subscribe to Restomod Muscle Car Finder, hit the like button, and tell us what you think. We will see you in the next one.